Good afternoon, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, what is the last thing I have done in class?
Concentration state.
SN1 and SN2.
Have I completed that part?
No, ma'am. You did it in
Concentration
carbocation stability and steric.
Steric effects I read. Okay. And I also did the concentration part. Huh?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now this is a 2-degree alkyl halide. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm taking OH minus here and I'm taking water here. OH minus is a strong nucleophile. And water is a weak nucleophile. So will the nucleophilic strength have any effect on the mechanism? If yes, then how? And which mechanism will be favored in strong nucleophile? And what should be favored in weak?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
I said here I'm taking a strong nucleophile like OH minus, and here I'm taking a poor nucleophile. Water, can I say the charge on oxygen is only delta minus?
Yes, ma'am.
So which will be a better donor of electrons? One with negative
minus.
charge, one with delta minus.
OH minus.
So this is a strong nucleophile and this is a weak nucleophile. So will the mechanism change accordingly? Using a strong nucleophile and a weak nucleophile.
No, ma'am.
Nisarg, both are stronger nucleophiles than Cl. Both are going to replace Cl. Okay. But if I compare these two, amongst these two, this is a stronger nucleophile than this. Both have to replace Cl. Yes, Sakshi, could you explain me the reason for that?
It's because like OH is a strong nucleophile, so it will surround the um uh, one
Alkyl
minute.
halide.
Yeah. So it doesn't like need a catalyst or or heat to.
Okay. Can I say OH minus being a stronger nucleophile?
Yes, yes.
It will be attracted more to the positive charge on carbon.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is going to have more attraction, that means chances of this to attack is going to be high and chances of this attacking the molecule is lower.
Yes.
So can I say here the molecule will have to in fact break on its own. पहले Cl निकलेगा, कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा, फिर वाटर जाके जो पुअर न्यूक्लियोफाइल है अटैक करेगा. इनफैक्ट कार्बोकैटायन जाके वाटर को अटैक करेगा. Am I right? Because water doesn't want to give away electrons easily. So the carbocation will approach the water molecule for electrons. But here it is negative charge on oxygen. So negative being very large, it will immediately attack the carbon, not wait for the carbocation to form. In other words, what will be the mechanism in strong nucleophile?
SN2.
SN2.
Yes. And the mechanism observed in case of weak nucleophiles is SN1.
Miss,
So
can
under
we
that
say-
distinction you write down, under SN1 you write down favored in case of weak nucleophiles, and under SN2 you write down favored with strong nucleophiles.
like I compared it to the one which you gave last time for KOH, like 0.01 molar of KOH will have SN1 and the 5 molar of KOH will have SN2 reaction. Like that we can compare.
No, there it is the concentration which is determining. Here it is the strength of the nucleophile.
Okay.
A stronger nucleophile will not wait for carbocation to form, correct?
Yes, miss.
It will immediately go and give the electron. But a weak nucleophile doesn't want to part away with the electrons. So it first carbocation will be formed there, and that carbocation will approach for the electron. Tell me, you were asking something?
Ma'am, weak nucleophile favors SN1.
Weak nucleophile favors SN1. and SN2 is favored by strong nucleophiles. So weak nucleophile favors SN1 and SN2 is favored by strong nucleophiles. Did you all finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the solvent which we are going to use. This I can clear, or I'll go to the next slide. Again, this is a 2-degree alkyl halide. I'm adding the nucleophile OH minus in water. And here I'm taking OH minus in DMSO. I'll tell you what is DMSO. Can I say water is a protic solvent?
Yes,
What are
ma'am.
protic solvents?
Capable of forming
Capable of forming H bonds.
So this is capable of forming hydrogen bonds. So this is a protic polar solvent. Polar because it has a dipole moment. DMSO is dimethyl sulfoxide. Dimethyl sulfoxide. This is classified as a aprotic polar. Why aprotic?
Incapable of forming.
Yes, this cannot form hydrogen bonds. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Because there is no hydrogen available on oxygen, nitrogen, or fluorine to form hydrogen bonds. So this is DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide. Would the mechanism change when solvent is changed?
Yes.
How would the solvent affect the mechanism?
Ma'am, what are you giving right now?
I'm continuing with SN1 and SN2.
Okay, ma'am.
The solvent will affect the nucleophile.
Yes, very good. Go ahead.
Like if it is a polar solvent, then OH minus will try to go and make hydrogen bond with it rather than
Excellent.
go
Yes,
to
yes.
chlorine.
And so can I say what mechanism according to you should happen here?
Ma'am, aprotic will be
SN1.
attractive, right?
SN1.
Very good. So what she said is exactly what I had to say. Okay. So can I say here this is a protic polar solvent? Protic polar solvent will form a hydrogen bond with this.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
nucleophile will form a hydrogen bond with water. So will the nucleophile, if it is getting attracted to the solvent, will it approach the alkyl halide?
No.
No. So the alkyl halide, can I say, will have to split on its own, giving
Yes,
you a
ma'am.
carbocation?
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes, ma'am.
mechanism would be favored in protic polar?
SN1.
Can I say here there is no attraction between the nucleophile and the solvent?
Yes, ma'am.
So this has no other options but to go and attack the alkyl halide. So which type of mechanism there?
SN2.
Did all of you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. So under SN1 you'll write favored in protic polar solvents, and under SN2 you'll be writing favored in aprotic polar solvents. Aprotic polar के examples? अच्छा, protic polar के could you give me examples? Protic polar solvents are water, alcohol, amines. These are protic polar. And what about aprotic polar?
Ketone.
Yes, acetone.
I'm all ketones, right?
Ketones to सारे. Basically, acetone is used as a solvent. Then dimethyl sulfoxide. All ethers. Then you can have
Carbon
ethanol.
disulfide.
Carbon disulfide is non-polar. It is aprotic but non-polar because dipole moment 0 है ना?
Right, sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am,
this-
hydrogen bonding won't take place with the nucleophile.
No, for aprotic it won't happen. This is DMF, dimethyl formamide. Dimethyl formamide. This is DMSO. So these are examples of aprotic polar. So whenever you see these solvents, remember mechanism will be SN2. Whenever you see these solvents, the mechanism would be SN1.
Ma'am, can you explain again how SN1?
Okay, can I say water is going to form a hydrogen bond with the nucleophile here?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say the nucleophile is attracted to the solvent, so it won't approach this alkyl halide?
Yes, ma'am.
So the alkyl halide will have to dissociate on its own, giving you carbocation.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Harshita, DMSO is dimethyl sulfoxide. Dimethyl sulfoxide.
DMF is dimethyl.
DMSO you are saying, no?
No, Miss DMF.
DMF is dimethyl formamide. Write it here.
Okay, Miss.
Dimethyl.
Ma'am, NaOH is protate.
Yes, yes. Aqueous NaOH लिया, aqueous KOH लिया, all these are protic.
Ma'am, and OH is attracted to HO2 because of hydrogen bonding.
Yes, because of hydrogen bonding.
Okay, Miss.
Ma'am, benzene will be aprotate.
Sorry?
Benzene will be aprotate. or
Benzene
protate?
is aprotic non-polar. Non-polar में OH minus नहीं ले सकते हो ना आप? Can I say OH
Yes.
minus will not dissolve only in non-polar?
Yes, ma'am.
Because like dissolves like. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
This
Yes.
is negatively charged means highly polar. So it will dissolve
Yes.
only in polar solvents. So solvent has to be either protic polar or aprotic polar. Samjha?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Did you finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
I think the first slide you all need. This is the first slide I did. This was based upon nucleophilic strength. Are you done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and this slide? Fine. Now the last thing you'll be writing under SN1 is SN1 leads to racemization, and under SN2 you'll write SN2 leads to inversion of configuration. Now what do I mean by this? Now supposing if the nucleophilic substitution is being carried out on a chiral carbon. Can I say this carbon is chiral?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the configuration here?
S.
Yes.
This is 1, 2, 3. Yes, I'm going clockwise. I'm getting R, but I'll be writing S. Supposing SN1 here, I'm adding OH minus in water. And here I'm adding OH minus in, say, DMSO. So can I say here it will be SN2?
Yes, ma'am.
And here it is SN1. So if I'll bring about SN1, that means I'm taking aqueous medium here. Cl will be replaced by OH. But could you tell me like what configuration will the product have?
S.
R.
I'll get both. How would I get both?
Acha, it will go from behind.
I'm going to get both. What about the mechanism? Can I say here the first step will be the ionization of the molecule giving you carbocation and Cl minus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because SN1 है, SN1 में carbocation बनता है. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So carbocation once formed. Can I say that carbocation will become planar? sp2 hybridization की वजह से.
Yes.
So that means the OH can attack from any side, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal probabilities, and that is why you get a mixture of those two. What is the mixture of these two called as?
Racemic
Racemic
mixture.
Enantiomer.
mixture.
Racemic mixture, yes. It's a mixture of enantiomers, so you'll get a racemic
Ma'am,
mixture.
can you repeat how you got to?
Okay, I'll explain this. I'll switch on the camera and I'll explain this. अच्छा, SN2 में क्या होगा? Can I say SN2 में the nucleophile has to come from the opposite side?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Cl कौन से side पे है यहाँ पर? Right पे है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो final product में OH कहाँ पे होगा? Left में होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the configuration here I'm getting?
R.
So can I say there's inversion of configuration in SN2?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying inversion of configuration. I'm not using the term inversion of optical rotation. I'm not saying that इसका rotation अगर +30 है तो इसका minus में जाएगा. I have not said that because यहाँ पे functional group कौन सा है?
Hala.
क्लोरीन है और यहाँ पे functional group कौन सा है?
OH.
Uh-huh.
हाँ, अगर ये +30 है तो I can say this will be -30. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
If this is +30 then this will be -30. But I
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
comment about this because यहाँ पे functional group change हो गया है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know about the optical rotation of these two. There is no relation between that optical rotation. But I can definitely say अगर इसका configuration S है तो यहाँ पर configuration आ रहेगा. समझा या नहीं समझा?
Yes.
समझा.
Configuration means arrangement of atoms. Arrangement of atoms यहाँ पे priority wise देखेंगे तो clockwise arrangement है और यहाँ पर sorry यहाँ पर anti clockwise है और यहाँ पर देखेंगे तो it is clockwise arrangement. हाँ, you are saying something?
Yes. So, ma'am, in that SN2 mechanism, the OH will attack from opposite side because of the steric inhibition.
Yes, yes. Steric inhibition होगा क्योंकि Cl पे delta minus है ना?
Means there's one bulky C2H5 group. Along with that, to add it, there is a highly electronegative group as well on the right side. Correct, ma'am?
This is the group which is having delta minus. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So will the OH approach from this end because OH is also negatively charged ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So negative के बीच में repulsions होगा. So the OH will prefer coming from this end.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just copy this. I'll just get my pens and I will just explain you all in detail. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Now, are these 4 groups visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, supposing ये जो ऊपर है green वाला, that is color you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is say methyl group.
Yes.
This is hydrogen, the yellow one. The blue behind is ethyl, and this one, the red one, is chlorine. Okay. So this is a chiral carbon with 4 different groups. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in SN1, what will happen? Can I say the Cl will depart first?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
as the Cl goes, the carbocation will become planar.
Yes,
Samjha?
ma'am.
Now this is planar. So can I say OH can attack from here and here with equal ease?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if this OH attacks from here, this will go again into tetrahedral geometry. If the OH attacks from here, ये इस तरफ घूम जाएंगे, and you will get the other compound. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is under SN1. अब SN2 में क्या होगा? ये क्लोरीन है राइट पे, सॉरी हम मेरे राइट पे, आपके लेफ्ट में होगा. This is your chlorine. Can I say the OH cannot approach from this end?
Yes, ma'am.
Because here the chlorine is a large atom and there'll be high electron density in this region. So from where has to OH approach? It will
Yes.
approach from the opposite side. So as it starts coming close, what will happen to these 3 bonds? These 3 bonds will rearrange to give you a planar form. तो ये तीनों bonds एक ही plane में चले जाएंगे और ये इस तरह का intermediate बनेगा. Can I say it will be a trigonal bipyramidal intermediate?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Then immediately what will happen? Cl will leave out और ये जो bonds है इस तरफ घूम जाएंगे. पहले उस तरफ थे, अब इस तरफ घूम जाएंगे. This is like something like an inversion of an umbrella. That is what they have described this. पहले bonds ऐसे थे, अब घूम के इस तरफ हो जाएंगे. So like invert, you know what is, how does an umbrella invert?
Yes, ma'am.
जब बहुत हवा आती है तो क्या होता है?
उल्टी हो जाती.
ये अनपिन कैसे करना है अब? ओके. तो जब बहुत तेज हवा आती है तब क्या होता है?
उल्टा हो जाता.
अम्ब्रेला उल्टी हो जाती है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पूरा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन
Slanting.
उसका उल्टा हो जाता है. That is what they have given. And this inversion is called as Walden inversion. Inversion of configuration is called as Walden inversion. So if the mechanism will be SN2 on a chiral carbon, then the molecule undergoes a Walden inversion. Walden inversion means the configuration inverts. But if the mechanism is SN1, then the product formed is a racemic mixture. Is this understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
You all have finished writing this, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, though we write it is a racemic mixture, but exactly ये और ये form 50% नहीं मिलता है. There is more of inversion than retention. I'll tell you why. Supposing first step में, say this is R, R dash, and this is H. In SN1, can I say first step में Cl को बाहर जाना है?
Yes, ma'am.
Cl जैसे ही बाहर जाएगा तो can I say I'll get a carbocation here, and that carbocation is actually planar.
Yes.
That is what we are. That is what we can actually refer to. Am I right? कि carbocation बनेगा. But can I say जब ये Cl बाहर जाएगा carbocation बनेगा, तो ये Cl ज्यादा दूर नहीं जा पाएगा. Why ज्यादा दूर नहीं जा पाएगा? Because still there will be some attraction between the carbocation and the Cl. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक अट्रैक्शन थोड़ा तो होगा. तो चाहे ये बॉन्ड अगर ब्रेक भी हो रहा है, ये बॉन्ड ऐसे ब्रेक भी हो रहा है, तो भी यहाँ जो कार्बोकैटायन बना है और ये जो Cl है, the Cl doesn't go very far. So again the chances of OH minus to attack from this same side is slightly reduced as compared to the opposite side. So the OH attacks more from the opposite side rather than from the same side. Same side से attack होगा तो retention होगा, opposite side से attack होता तो inversion होगा. So can I say there is more of inversion than retention here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This what is formed is called as an ion pair. So due to that ion pair formation, Since the chloride ion has not gone very far from the carbocation, the chances of OH attacking from the opposite side are slightly more than the chances of OH attacking from the same side of Cl. Okay, and therefore inversion is slightly more than retention. Inversion is slightly more than retention due to the formation of ion pair.
मैम ये सिर्फ SN2 में है ना?
हाँ मतलब ये SN2 नहीं है. अगर SN2 होता तो प्योर इन्वर्जन होता. SN2 होता तो प्योर इन्वर्जन होता. डू यू एग्री?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें प्योर इन्वर्जन नहीं देखा गया है SN1 में. रिटेंशन भी होता है बट इन्वर्जन थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू रिटेंशन. And I think you have understood the reason why inversion is slightly more than retention due to this ion pair being formed. Carbocation and the chloride ion, they of course are attracted to each other because of the electrostatic force of attraction. So the chlorine doesn't leave very far. It stays close to the carbocation. So the OH minus, it has a greater chance to attack from the opposite side rather than from the same side of that of chlorine. Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, what were the inversions called in the case of SN2?
What is the inversion
Walden,
called?
what was that, ma'am?
Walden inversion.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I have written the spelling here.
So SN1, the major product is the inverted one.
Yeah, with retention also occurring, but for SN2 it is only inverted. Fine.
Okay, so retention is the minor and inverted is
Yes,
the
inverted
major.
one is major and retention wala minor hoga.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
But for SN2 it is only inversion product. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish writing this?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, have you all finished this?
Just
Yes,
1 minute.
Okay, so now just write down about this strength of the nucleophile. How will you decide the strength? That in fact I've already told you, but few more points to add here. Going across a period, the strength of the nucleophile decreases. Due to an increase.
SN1, SN2 over.
Explanation of SN1, SN2 is over. Now what do I mean by this? If I ask you to compare between CH3 minus, NH2 minus, OH minus and F minus, can I say I'm moving across the period?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen to the strength of the nucleophile?
It decreases.
And what is the reason for that?
Electronegativity.
Can I say F is the most electronegative out of these four elements, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine?
Yes, ma'am.
So will it easily give away the electron?
No.
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 So can I say CH3 minus will be the strongest one here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You wanted the previous page? Okay. This is the previous page. Mandar, tell me when you're done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So across the period, write down the strength of the nucleophile decreases due to an increase in electronegativity. Okay, second point you have to write, moving down the group. The strength of the nucleophile depends on the solvent. So now I'll tell you how does a solvent affect the strength of the nucleophile when moving down a group. Just write this first and then I will explain. Did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, say I'm taking F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, and I minus. Can I say I'm moving down the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What if I take these in water? Can I say water is a protic polar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
protic polar में इनके hydrogen bonds बनेंगे.
Yes.
Yes,
Which will form the strongest hydrogen bond with water?
Richard.
F minus will form the strongest hydrogen bond. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अगर F minus का इसके साथ attraction सबसे ज्यादा है, will it go and attack the alkyl halide easily?
No, ma'am.
No.
So can I say this will be the poorest nucleophile in water?
Yes.
So in protic solvent, the order is this. This is in protic polar. Protic polar में order समझा है कि नहीं समझा है?
समझ.
समझा.
So now I'll tell you the order in aprotic polar. Aprotic polar, supposing I take ether or DMSO. Can I say there is no such interaction between the nucleophile and the solvent here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
nucleophile is not attracted to the solvent here. The nucleophile has to go and attack the substrate. Which of these has the highest charge density?
Fluorine.
F minus.
You know what is charge density? Charge per unit volume, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
per unit volume, can I say this has the maximum charge, maximum negative charge?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this will have the maximum ability to donate electrons. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So the order reverses if you take aprotic solvent.
Ma'am, can you repeat for protic solvents?
Okay, for protic solvent, I'm repeating both. For protic solvent, can I say this F minus will form the strongest hydrogen bond with water?
Yes, ma'am.
So the ability of this to go and attack the substrate is very less because it is getting attracted to the solvent. Solvent की तरफ attracted है तो substrate की तरफ जाएगा नहीं. And therefore, this will be the weakest nucleophile and this will be the strongest nucleophile because this doesn't form hydrogen bond with water. Okay, so this is how the strength will vary in protic polar solvent like water. But if you take a aprotic solvent where these cannot form any hydrogen bonds with these with the solvent molecules, so what these will do is they have to go and attack the substrate. Now how will you find that which will attack faster? That will depend on the charge density on these ions. Can I say this has the maximum charge density?
Yes, ma'am.
Charge per unit volume will be maximum here because volume सबसे छोटा है इसका. So charge density maximum है. So this will go and give the electrons more readily. So the order completely reverses in aprotic polar solvent. What if the solvent is not given to you? Then how would you decide? If the solvent is not given to you, then you have to, by default, take it as protic polar. That also you mention. Okay. If solvent is not given, then by default or by convention, you take it as protic polar. And Nisa, just 1 minute, just let them complete this. Have you all finished writing this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nisar, this is the previous page. Tell me once you're done. Rohan, which statement I said? Which statement you want me to repeat? I said if solvent is not mentioned, then by default, you have to use it as protic polar. Okay. So if solvent is not mentioned, by default, consider it as protic polar.
And what are the statement you said before?
Sorry.
What was the statement you said before?
Just now
If
what I
solvent
said.
is not-
If solvent is not mentioned, then consider protic polar solvents as a default condition. So just write down for the same anion, the nucleophilic strength decreases with increase in steric hindrance. Now, what do I mean by this? Supposing if I take this one. Okay. Now here, this is the hydroxide ion. This is methoxide, ethoxide, isopropoxide ion, and tertiary butoxide ion. Can I say when I'm moving from here to here, what is happening to the steric hindrance?
Increasing.
Increase.
Yes, you can see the alkyl groups are being introduced here, and alkyl group ka steric repulsions are becoming more and more. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the one with the maximum steric hindrance will become the weakest nucleophile because this will not approach easily. इसका repulsion होगा, वो जो substrate है उससे repulsion होगा. So the nucleophilic strength will decrease when the steric hindrance in the nucleophile increases. Can I say all these have negative charge on oxygen?
Yes, ma'am.
That is what I have written, the same anion. Okay. For the same anion, the nucleophilic strength decreases with increase in steric hindrance. So out of these 5 which I have given, OH will be the strongest and tertiary butoxide ion will be the weakest. This is called as tertiary butoxide. This is called as isopropoxide ion. This is called as ethoxide ion. This is methoxide ion. And this is hydroxide.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
can you give one more example of this?
Yes. Instead of O, write down N. So you'll have NH2, NHR, NR2.
Okay, so only thing that should matter is the negative
Atom,
charge.
yeah, the negative charge should be same on the same atom.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you all finish this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, this I have already told you. Can I say OH minus is a stronger nucleophile than water?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, I can say NH2 minus will be a stronger nucleophile than ammonia. So a charged nucleophile is always stronger as compared to a neutral molecule. RO minus will be stronger than ROH. निसर प्लस इफेक्ट नहीं, स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस वहां पे डोमिनेंट रोल था, नॉट प्लस इफेक्ट. हाँ, प्लस इफेक्ट माइनर रोल है आई कैन से, बट मेजर रोल वहां पे स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस का था. साक्षी, व्हाट यू सेड इज करेक्ट. I का लोएस्ट होगा बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी सबसे कम है, चार्ज डेंसिटी इज लेस. यस.
Ma'am, so always while comparing the strength of nucleophiles, we should check steric hindrance first and after that plus I.
Yes, yes. Plus I वैसे देखना ही नहीं है. I'll tell you how to use those. In fact, this booklet I will be solving with you. Okay. वरना
Okay,
booklet
ma'am.
solve कर नहीं पाओगे तुम लोग.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll be solving the entire booklet. Don't worry.
Ma'am, how much is left more?
अभी तो ये substitution ही चल रहा है. इसके बाद free radical substitution बाकी है और फिर elimination बाकी है.
So you will discuss the booklet afterwards.
Yeah, booklet will be discussing. I'll be discussing it afterwards at the end.
This electrophile?
Electrophile क्या? What electrophile are you asking?
Nothing.
Electrophilic substitution में कर चुकी हूँ. This is nucleophilic substitution. So I'm discussing nucleophile here. Okay. Okay. So strength of nucleophile I have completed. Now one point to note here is, how will you write that? Wait. Write on formation of a carbocation. Formation of a carbocation. Is catalyzed by the presence of heavy metal ions.
And this is the fifth point.
No. Strength of nucleophile is done. You just make a note of this. Formation of a carbocation is catalyzed by the presence of heavy metal ions. Means what? Carbocation कौन से mechanism में बनता है?
SN1.
Removal of.
SN1, correct?
Yes.
So SN1
Yes.
mechanism अगर SN1 से जाना है, so what are you going to do? You can catalyze that
Heavy
process
metal
by
ions.
adding
Heavy metal ions.
heavy metal ions. Say for example, I think this example they have given you in the booklet, which I am solving here.
This is under topic or just a random note?
Just a random note you can write.
Okay, miss.
Basically SN1 के बारे में लिखा बताया है. Okay, can I see a heavy metal ion here?
Yes.
Yes,
Heavy metal
ma'am.
ion means your transition metal ions. Okay, you know what are transition metals?
Yes.
So this is a transition metal ion. So this will result in the formation of a carbocation. So अब मुझे बताओ कौन से जगह से Cl जाएगा? Giving you a carbocation. कहाँ बन सकता है कार्बोकेटाइन?
टॉप पे.
Can I say यहाँ पर नहीं बनेगा?
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
नहीं बनेगा यहाँ पर?
Bridge head.
ब्रिज हेड पे नहीं बनेगा कार्बोकेटाइन. यहाँ पर भी नहीं बन सकता है. क्यों नहीं बन सकता है?
Double bond.
Double bond.
Can I say यहाँ पर रेजोनेंस है?
Yes.
Yes.
ये विनाइलिक हैलाइड है ना, विनाइलिक हैलाइड का ये पार्शियल डबल बॉन्ड कैरेक्टर होता है. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये Cl नहीं जाएगा, ये Cl नहीं जाएगा. और कौन से Cl जाएंगे? बाकी सारे. ये भी नहीं जाएगा, बाकी सारे जा सकते हैं. So how many moles of Cl will be coming out here?
4.
1 mole from here, 1 from here, 1 from here and 1 from here. So
Five.
total कितने आएंगे?
4.
4.
So can I say this will give me 4 moles of AgCl?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
And the product form would be? ये Cl नहीं जाएगा, ये भी नहीं जाएगा, और ये भी नहीं जाएगा. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This Cl will now be replaced by OH of water. और यहाँ पर क्या होगा?
Take over, JD.
Hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond.
Can I say? अच्छा, can I say ये दो OH group same carbon पे है?
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
जब दो OH group same carbon पे होता है तो molecule unstable होता है.
Yes.
Okay. You cannot have two. Have I told you this?
No, ma'am.
You cannot have two OH groups on the same carbon. The molecule becomes unstable. Unstable, you have to write it in square bracket.
Ma'am, why
So
is
this-
that? Why we can't have two OH atoms in one carbon?
I will tell you that also. When you have two OH groups on the same carbon, the molecule undergoes spontaneous dehydration. Spontaneous मतलब क्या?
On its own. Naturally occurring.
On its own. Dehydration होगा. OH यहाँ से निकलेगा और H यहाँ से निकलेगा और double bond बनेगा. So the product form will be, I'm writing the product behind. I don't have space here. The product formed is going to be this. Cl यही रहेगा. यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड हो, ये Cl रिप्लेस हो गया OH से और ये Cl ऐसे ही रहेगा. So this is the final product. Don't worry, I will explain it once more. I'm going back to the reaction. Okay, I have been given this compound and on the arrow they have given me Ag plus. यहाँ पे water या OH minus दिया होगा. Ag plus देख के what should come to your mind? It's a heavy metal ion.
Yes, ma'am.
So what should come to your mind? What should come to your mind?
Formation of
Carbocation
carbocation.
formation.
हाँ, that
Carbocation
means
formation.
mechanism SN1 होना चाहिए. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ, तो कार्बोकटाइन कहाँ कहाँ बन सकता है? कहना से यहाँ नहीं बनेगा because of partial double bond character.
Yes, ma'am.
ये Cl जाएगा ही नहीं because the Cl carbon bond is very strong due to resonance. यहाँ से भी Cl नहीं निकलेगा. क्यों नहीं निकलेगा? क्योंकि ये ब्रिज हेड वाले कार्बन पे
Bridge head पे
कार्बोकटाइन,
ma'am. True.
ब्रिज हेड वाले कार्बन पे कार्बोकटाइन नहीं बनेगा. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this Cl will go, this Cl will go, this will go, and this will go. So how many moles of AgCl will I get here?
4.
4 moles. And when this Cl goes, the carbocation will react with water. Water का OH आ जाएगा इसके पास. Same will happen here also on this carbon. And this carbon also will have 2 OH groups. But 2 OH groups on the same carbon is unstable. It shows spontaneous dehydration. अगर 2 OH group एक कार्बन पे आ जाते हैं तो यहाँ पे dehydration हो जाएगा, OH और H निकलेगा और यहाँ पे double bond बन जाएगा. In other words, you'll get the ketone formation. So this is going to be the final product of the reaction. Now I will tell you why 2 OH groups on the same carbon are unstable. I will tell you that. But first you finish writing this reaction.
मैम आप वो नीचे के 2 क्लोरीन का वापस एक्सपेंडर हो गए.
Can I say यहाँ resonance होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Double bond character आता है resonance में.
Yes, ma'am.
Double bond character आ गया, that means this bond is very strong. क्योंकि
Yes.
partial double bond है इसमें.
Yes, ma'am.
मगर मतलब अगर क्लोरीन को आपको अलग करना है तो कितने bonds ब्रेक करने पड़ेंगे?
More than 1.
हाँ, so that is why it is not favorable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so carbocation will not be formed here. This is basically a vinylic halide. You know what is a vinylic halide?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
The
ma'am.
carbon having a
attached to
double bond
bond.
as the halogen. So vinylic
Yes.
halides do not undergo substitution reactions. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, on Saturday's doubt session, you'll be taking isomerism doubts, no?
Catalyst in such will be.
No, ma'am, Saturday's doubt lecture.
अच्छा, Saturday doubt lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
What you want me to do in that? I'll take the booklet, na?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है,
Which
booklet.
booklet,
This booklet I will discuss in Saturday's class. I'll start with substitution, nucleophilic substitution.
Ma'am,
Fine.
partly
Ma'am, कौन
can
सी
you also
exercises
take
करनी है?
doubts?
तुम देखो कर सकते हो तो करो. मुझे लगता नहीं है तुमको कुछ आएगा. You can try it out.
Okay,
Even if you
ma'am.
get 4 or 5 questions, you should be happy that you have got something. ठीक है?
Ma'am, partly can you also take doubts of isomerism?
Please say a little louder.
Ma'am, also can you take doubts of isomerism?
Doubts of isomerism.
Yes, ma'am.
I have discussed isomerism, na?
Ma'am, TWT है ना?
Yes, ma'am, on Sunday.
Then you want it once more.
Yes, miss, please.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा TWT का जो था?
नहीं मिस, इस संडे को TWT
हाँ
आइसोमेरिज्म
मैम,
पे.
उसके डाउट्स
Ma'am,
आप ले
specific
सकते हो।
doubts.
हाँ, स्पेसिफिक।
अच्छा अच्छा, इंडिविजुअल डाउट्स वाला से.
यस मैम।
कि बुकलेट के हैं या बाहर से हैं?
बुकलेट।
Mix.
Yes, miss, booklet.
अच्छा, ठीक है, तो वो ले लूंगी, चलेगा.
Thank you, miss.
अच्छा, सैटरडे आपका टेस्ट है, संडे को है टेस्ट?
Yes,
यस
miss.
मैम।
Ma'am, booklet and notes are enough ना?
हाँ हाँ, बुकलेट एंड नोट्स है. अच्छा, इसलिए पेपर बनाने बोला है. ठीक है.
Ma'am, next page.
So now I'll tell you why 2 OH groups on the same carbon are unstable. Can I say this carbon is sp3 hybridized?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what should be the bond angle on these carbon? What should be
180.
the bond angles? 109 degree 28 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
But then this will tend to form what is,
Hydrogen.
because of this hydrogen bond formation, how many membered
90
ring is
degrees.
being formed?
90 degrees.
So can I say that will introduce a strain in the molecule?
Yes.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
angle strain, due to that angle strain, what the molecule will do? The H will get completely transferred on this oxygen. And this will come out as what?
H2O.
H2O.
And this electron pair will shift here to form a.
Double.
Double bond.
So that is how it happens. And the energy needed for all this is available at room temperature. So can I say this will be spontaneous at room temperature?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till here, any doubts? Suhani, third track should start somewhere in July, I think. July it will start, third track. First, you start covering all the backlog of your 2 tracks, which are going
Ma'am,
on.
someone's using my name. I just saw my name again and that person left. Because I didn't ask any question right now.
Oh, but chat box में तुम्हारा नाम है.
मैंने नहीं पूछा, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं पूछा, पता नहीं.
Okay, okay. So if the person comes in, you just tell me again.
Yes, ma'am.
But then anyway, the person is not bothering, so it's okay. You have to pay attention on the what I'm teaching. So forget about what he's doing. Okay.
मैम आप ये वापस एक्सप्लेन करोगे साइड में OH वाला?
ये वाला?
Yes मैम, angle strain.
Can I say ये H bonding होगा तो ये square shape बनेगा?
Yes
In
मैम.
fact, rectangle होगा ये, है?
हाँ
तो
मैम.
can I say bond angle कितना हो जाएगा इसमें?
90 डिग्री.
और होना कितना चाहिए?
104.
109.
हाँ मैम, 109.
तो अगर ये H bonding बनाएगा तो angle strain आ जाएगा मॉलिक्यूल में.
Yes मैम.
तो वो अवॉइड करने के लिए क्या करेगा मॉलिक्यूल? ये H पूरा इस पे ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा.
Yes
तो
मैम.
ये this will come out as what?
H2O.
H2O and
And
double
this
bond.
electron pair will shift here to form a
ये
double
डबल
bond.
बॉन्ड.
Double bond.
तो ये कीटोन बन गया और वाटर निकल गया.
Yes मैम.
समझा?
Yes मैम.
I'm done copying.
Okay. Okay, now if I have this compound, it is 1-chloro-butene, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm adding OH minus in presence of water. अब water दिख रहा है, मतलब कौन सा solvent है?
Protic polar.
Protic polar.
Protic polar.
Okay, so which type of mechanism do you think will occur here?
SN1.
SN1.
Very good. Product बताओ कितने बनेंगे?
2 मैम.
हाँ, कैसे 2 बता सकते हो?
First और last.
First और last?
मैम Cl निकलेगा.
हाँ.
मैम और रेजोनेंस है.
Very good.
और OH जाएगा.
So can I say एक product ये होगा?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
And the other product would be this.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
ये कैसे हुआ second वाला?
रेजोनेंस.
Very
Resonance.
good. Yes. तो Cl जब जाएगा कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. OH can attack here to give you this as the product. Or the other possibility is pi bond will shift here by resonance and OH will come and attack here. This product
Ma'am.
is called as an SN1 product. This is called as SN1 prime. Prime products are obtained by resonance. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, which one is major?
Okay. कार्बोकैटायन कौन सा मेजर ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा?
Down one?
2 degree.
Yes, so that should be the major, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say that will be kinetically controlled? पर थर्मोडायनेमिकली ये ज्यादा फेवर होगा। क्यों ये ज्यादा फेवर होगा? क्योंकि ये एल्कीन में हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन के लिए कितने हाइड्रोजन अवेलेबल हैं?
2
5
5
दो
5
इधर 3 इधर।
5
और इस ये एल्कीन में कितने अवेलेबल हैं?
3
So this is your
3
TCP and this is your KCP. Did you understand?
yes ma'am.
What is this prime product?
Prime is the product obtained by resonance.
Okay, so it is always the major product.
That will be decided on the carbocation stability, no?
Okay, ma'am.
It is 2 degree, that's why it is major.
Yes, yes. This is 2 degree allylic, that is 1 degree allylic, correct? अब mechanism क्या होगा?
SN2,
SN2
aprotic polar.
हाँ. So the OH can directly attack here and remove this. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or the OH can attack here, shift the pi bond here and remove the chlorine. So again here also you'll get two products. First product will be called as what?
SN2.
SN2
SN2
and
और
second,
दूसरा क्या
SN2
होगा?
prime.
SN2
SN2
prime.
prime.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
अब इसमें मेजर कौन सा होगा बता सकते हो? स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस देखते हैं। SN2 में हमेशा स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस देखते हैं। जहां स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस ज्यादा होगा वहां पे अटैक नहीं होगा जल्दी।
मैम और नीचे वाला
So
मेजर
OH will
रहेगा.
attack here where there is steric hindrance. इस पे और एक मिथाइल ग्रुप आ गया ना स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस की वजह से। ये
Yes,
ग्रुप तो
ma'am.
है ही और ये मिथाइल भी है। It will attack here क्योंकि ये कार्बन पे 2 हाइड्रोजन है, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will attack here. So this will be the major. SN2 you will always check for steric hindrance, and SN1 you will be checking for carbocation stability. Write it what I have said. For SN1 you will be always checking the carbocation stability, and for SN2 you will be checking for steric hindrance.
Ma'am, could you repeat?
For SN1 check carbocation stability, and for SN2 check steric hindrance.
मैम आपने बोला ना वो Cl माइनस उधर ही इट विल बी नियर द कार्बोकेटाइन ओनली, तो वो यहाँ पे नहीं होगा
ऊपर ना कार्बोकेटाइन इसमें बन रहा है, इसमें नहीं बनेगा कार्बोकेटाइन।
हाँ मैम, यस सॉरी।
But for SN2 check what?
SN2 you have to check steric hindrance.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
So मैम यहाँ पे मेजर कौन सा होगा?
बस यहाँ पे ये कार्बन पे ज्यादा है
यस मैम।
तो यहाँ पर होगा मेजर, ये वाला होगा जहाँ OH यहाँ अटैक। दिस विल बी द मेजर।
ओके मैम।
So ma'am, in exam they can ask questions like they can give the type of protic solvent, correct?
ये सॉल्वेंट्स
Specifically.
सॉल्वेंट देखोगे तो मालूम पड़ जाता है SN1 है SN2, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss, in that SN1 which is major?
This one.
Down one.
Yes, because 2 degree, right?
Yes, 2 degree allylic.
Okay, miss.
Did you all finish this? Prime products have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Prime products are obtained because of that conjugated double bond. Okay. यहाँ फंक्शनल ग्रुप से ये डबल बॉन्ड मतलब जैसे ही फंक्शनल ग्रुप निकलेगा द डबल बॉन्ड कैन शिफ्ट रेजोनेंस से। इसमें भी ये जब यहाँ अटैक करेगा ये रेजोनेंस से यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, इसको निकाल दे। So the prime products are obtained because of the shift of pi bond. Finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm giving you some examples here. First example, I want you to give me the products here.
Ma'am, KOH is Protec, right?
Yeah, aqueous है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Aqueous है मतलब क्या? What are you supposed to use?
SN1.
Yes. I've written aqueous. Aqueous मतलब Protec है.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, solve these fast. You have to go through which intermediate here?
Carbocation.
Carbocation.
That means rearrangements you cannot ignore. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So pay attention and do it. चलो जल्दी करो. Riya, these have just given you examples as SN1. SN1 में product इसके predict करो क्या मिलेंगे. Because aqueous KOH है means it is protic polar solvent. So mechanism has to be SN1. So under these you have to predict the product form. Are you all getting it or no?
I'm getting it.
इसका product बताओ.
Getting.
OH in place of CN.
No, this is going to be the product.
CH3 CH. हाँ, yes ma'am.
Did you all get this?
Yes ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, can I explain it? पहले तो Cl निकलेगा और कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा.
Methyl shift.
Yes.
फिर मिथाइल शिफ्ट किया कि नहीं किया?
अच्छा हाँ,
Yes,
मिथाइल
ma'am.
शिफ्ट. ओके मैम.
हाँ, तो ये मेजर होगा और जो तुमने लिखा है वो माइनर है, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the major product.
Ma'am, you only have to write the major or you have to write minor also?
Write down the minor also because I don't have
Ma'am.
space here. हाँ,
Ma'am, KCl form होगा.
हाँ, KCl बाई प्रोडक्ट होगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
KCl तो बनेगा, that you have to write as a by product. इसमें क्या होगा? पहले Cl
मैम
निकलेगा.
वापस अल्काइल शिफ्ट होगा.
पहले तो हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 degree will change to 2 degree. Again a
Yes,
hydride
ma'am.
shift.
Yes, ma'am.
2 degree will change into 3 degree. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So write down all those products which you are getting.
So, ma'am, do we need to write all the products
Yes,
where
yes, all,
hydride
all.
shift take place?
हाँ, अगर ये निकलेगा तो OH यहाँ आएगा, that also you write. हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट आने के बाद OH यहाँ पर भी आ सकता है, that also you write.
So, ma'am, minor one is 1 degree, right?
हाँ, माइनर 1 डिग्री होगा, 2 डिग्री वाला भी माइनर होगा, बट ये मेजर होगा 3 डिग्री वाला. गॉट इट?
Yes.
This will be the major.
Yes, ma'am.
Hydride shift, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें ये होगा मेजर.
मैम वहाँ पे आपने शिफ्ट किया है
किसमें?
डी में.
सी में कि डी में?
डी में.
डी में रिंग एक्सपांशन करवाया ना मैंने. ये Cl निकलेगा तो कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. ये रिंग कितने मेंबर्ड है?
5. अच्छा, you made it 6.
I made it 6. ये बॉन्ड इधर ऐसे शिफ्ट होगा, 6 मेंबर्ड हो जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone who's not understood, I'll show you the mechanism.
Understood.
लास्ट वाला कुछ मिला?
मैम डी में माइनर क्या होगा?
माइनर में OH यहाँ होगा.
ओके मैम.
सेम स्ट्रक्चर होगा OH
हाँ
में.
हाँ मैम.
Ma'am, what is the name of the compound?
E.
Yes.
इसका नेमिंग विल बी 1 2 3 4 5. हेक्सासाइक्लो से शुरू होगा ये. ये तुम्हारे सिलेबस में नहीं है, क्यों चाहिए तुमको? तुम्हारे सिलेबस में बाईसाइक्लो ही है.
मैम सी एक्सप्लेन करोगे आप?
सी में ये Cl जाएगा, कार्बोकैटायन होगा, हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट यहाँ से. कौन सा?
सी उसके नीचे वाला मैम.
अच्छा सी. क्लोरीन जाएगा, कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा,
यस मैम.
हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट यहाँ से होगा
यस मैम.
ताकि कार्बोकैटायन 3 डिग्री बने.
यस मैम.
मैम,
हाँ,
मैम आप डी में सिर्फ एक बार शॉर्ट में फिर से समझा सकते हो कि कौन से केसेस में ऐसे रिंग एक्सपेंशन होता है?
Whenever the intermediate is a carbocation, have a look on the adjacent carbon. Here the adjacent carbon is a part of a ring which is under angle strain. No? You know most stable ring कौन सा होता है?
6
cyclohexane.
members.
हाँ, so 5 can change into 6. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
But अगर यहाँ पर 6 membered होता तो वो नहीं करते आप. क्यों नहीं करते?
It would have become
It-
unstable.
Yes. But अगर 6 membered होता तो you would have done the methyl shift. Why am I saying this?
To make it stable.
अगर 6 membered होता तो I would have done the methyl shift. Can I say ये कार्बोकैटायन 2 डिग्री है?
हाँ, it
Yes,
Yes,
becomes
ma'am.
2
ma'am.
degree.
ये methyl shift होने के बाद कार्बोकैटायन क्या हो
3
जाएगा?
degree.
3 degree.
3
Got
degree.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
लास्ट वाला किसी को कुछ मिला क्या?
हाँ, minor product मिला सर.
माइनर तो सबको मिलेगा. Cl को रिप्लेस करोगे OH के साथ. Am I
स्टैटिक
right?
डिफरेंस होगा ना हर जगह.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you the last one. Have you finished writing all the remaining?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one thing, could you show that page again? Sorry, ma'am.
नहीं, it's okay. Tell.
हाँ ma'am, thank you. Done.
तो पहले SN1 से Cl निकल जाएगा. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So कह रहे से जब Cl निकलेगा तो ऐसा कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा.
Yeah.
कहना से उसके बाजू वाले कार्बन पे this is the adjacent carbon. कहना से it's a part of a ring which is under strain.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this bond will shift like this. ये ऐसा है, ये बॉन्ड ऐसा हो जाएगा. तो रिंग कितने मेंबर हो जाएगा?
2.
4.
2
Four
मेंबर
member.
का कभी रिंग होता भी है क्या?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
हाँ, कहना से ये बॉन्ड इधर शिफ्ट होगा तो ये 4 मेंबर हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कार्बोकैटायन यहाँ बनेगा. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
फिर बाजू वाले कार्बन से ये भी शिफ्ट होगा. फिर कार्बोकैटायन यहाँ बनेगा. फिर ये भी शिफ्ट होगा. कार्बोकैटायन फिर से यहाँ बनेगा और ये 4 मेंबर्ड हो जाएगा. तो जब यहाँ कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा तो ये भी शिफ्ट होगा. ये भी 4 मेंबर्ड हो जाएगा. यहाँ कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. फिर ये शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, 4 मेंबर्ड बनेगा और यहाँ कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. फिर फाइनली OH यहाँ आएगा. So the product is going to be this. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all finish writing this?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I've done the first example. कह रहा है इसे अगर मैंने इधर सॉल्वेंट वाटर की जगह DMSO यूज किया, अगर OH माइनस एंड DMSO, तो प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा?
SN2.
हाँ, SN2 से जाओगे. So कहना है सर रीअरेंजमेंट कहीं पर भी नहीं होगा
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि
Yes, ma'am.
कार्बोकैटायन नहीं बनेगा. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
तो कहना है सर जहां पर Cl है बस वहीं पे खाली OH आ जाएगा.
हाँ, ma'am.
Yes.
जो तुम्हारे माइनर प्रोडक्ट्स बन रहे हैं ना,
वो ये SN2 से बनेगा.
वो ये SN2 से बनेगा. Did you understand what I've said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next class I'll be taking the second example. First example I think all of you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. And Saturday I'll be taking your doubts on isomerism.
Ma'am, we don't have many doubts, but we have some doubts.
So then I'll continue with the
Yes, ma'am.
booklet of the
Yes,
action
ma'am.
mechanism.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye all.
मैम
हाँ
हमें एक आइसोमेरिज्म का एक छोटा सा डाउट था.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम वो जो फॉर्मूला है ना, वो सिमेट्रिकल कंपाउंड्स विद इवन नंबर ऑफ कायरल कार्बन्स के लिए।
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
मैम उसमें अगर इफ वी हैड अ कंपाउंड विद 6 कायरल कार्बन्स और उसमें 4 हैव द सेम ग्रुप्स ऑन देम, तो n क्या लेंगे?
यू आर टेकिंग साइक्लिक वन?
नो, जस्ट अ स्ट्रेट चेन।
टोटल कितने बोल रही हो?
6 कायरल कार्बन है
हाँ,
और उसमें सिर्फ 4 में सेम वाले ग्रुप्स है।
कौन से 4 लूं?
मैम कोई भी चार्ट ले लो।
ऐसे?
हाँ मैम, तो इसमें n क्या लेंगे हम लोग, 6 की 4?
Are you thinking that this chiral carbon and this chiral carbon have same groups? No ना, क्योंकि इस कार्बन में इस साइड कितने कार्बन
OH
है?
भी है
इस
दो।
साइड कितने कार्बन है?
तो
तो
और दूसरे साइड कितने कार्बन है?
हाँ मैम, आई नो दे आर chiral carbons only, but they are symmetric means they have same groups, right?
Doesn't matter, you'll be taking the number of chiral carbon here as 6.
Okay, not as 4. Okay
No,
ma'am.
ठीक है?
Ma'am, I have a silly doubt in
See,
the.
no doubts are silly. First of all, you make that clear in your mind.
Okay, ma'am.
Doubts आ रहा है means definitely कुछ तो ऐसा है उसमें जो समझने की है, समझना है, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, tell me.
Ma'am, you had given some conditions for which favor higher enol content in
Yeah.
yes, ma'am, in tautomerism.
हाँ.
Ma'am, there was one point of intramolecular H bonding.
Yeah,
So, ma'am, can you draw its structure?
yeah. I think I've done this example.
Yes, ma'am, I have doubt in this only.
The beta diketone. Yes.
Ma'am, you told that if ma'am, due to the H bonding.
Yes, edge bonding is also there and conjugation is also there.
Yes, ma'am. But if the if the double bond shift towards the left, then
You're saying this one?
yes, ma'am. Then why then cumulated dying will not be there now?
वैसे भी ये
ma'am.
cumulated नहीं है, ये isolated है, ये conjugated है.
नहीं मैम, आप बोले थे कि अगर राइट में मतलब एक साथ नहीं शिफ्ट हो सकते, एक टाइम एक ही हो सकता है, क्योंकि नहीं तो देयर विल बी क्यूमुलेटेड डाइंग। तो अगर लेफ्ट में
वो
shift
तो मैंने
हुआ-
इस हाइड्रोजन के लिए कहा कि अगर ये दोनों हाइड्रोजन मतलब एक इधर जा रहा है एक इधर जा रहा है तो क्यूमुलेटेड सिस्टम हो जाएगा ना.
अच्छा मैम, तो अगर मतलब लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट हुए तो दे बोथ कैन एग्जिस्ट एट द सेम टाइम, OH OH।
ये एग्जिस्ट हो सकता है पर ये ज्यादा टाइम दिस कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट बिकॉज कैन आई से ये कार्बन को लीनियर होना पड़ेगा.
यस मैम, वो नहीं।
लीनियर हो गया तो ये ग्रुप दूर हो जाएंगे
यस मैम।
और इसमें एच बॉन्डिंग भी नहीं होगा.
ओके मैम।
ठीक है, तो ये
Yes,
सिस्टम
ma'am.
नहीं एग्जिस्ट करेगा.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
इसमें एच बॉन्डिंग हो सकता है बट कैन आई से इसमें कॉन्जुगेशन नहीं है, रेजोनेंस नहीं हो पाएगा.
यस मैम।
इसमें रेजोनेंस भी है और हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग भी है.
यस मैम। ओके, थैंक यू।
मैम
हाँ,
मैम एक और डाउट था मैम, मीजो कंपाउंड्स में आपने बोला कि जो भी प्लेन लाइक लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है उसके ऊपर और नीचे जो कायरल कार्बन्स होंगे उनका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑपोजिट होगा, राइट?
हाँ,
मैम तो अगर 4 कायरल कार्बन्स है तो दोनों जो ऊपर के हैं उनके डायरेक्ट ऑपोजिट नीचे वाले के
हाँ.
होंगे।
ऊपर अगर आर एस है तो नीचे एस आर होगा वैसे.
ओके मैम, ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
ठीक है, ओके, डन ऑल ऑफ यू. चलो, आई एम एंडिंग द क्लास देन. बाय बाय.